Hey everyone, thanks for joining me in another video. Today we're going to be making Himalayan salt soap. I've pre-dispersed my kaolin clay into my oils and added my lye solution. I'm just going to blend now past emulsion. Our scent blend today is a mixture of peppermint, tea tree and patchouli essential oils. I like to wait until I hit a light trace and then I'll add in the salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. Salt bars in general tend to need a really good mixing, so none of that salt sits on the bottom of the batter. Okay, let's get this into the moulds. I'm just going to add a really simple, effective design to the top of these bars and then sprinkle with pink Himalayan salt. We are back the next day to cut the bars. These have been sitting for around 24 hours now. Thanks again for joining me today, I really appreciate it. Hit that like button if you like the video, and as always, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week.